coming, I've been all around. I'll keep on running till time catches on. I've been on the run. Now you're back in your hideout. Never gave it all for free. Everyone is talking to ya, to ya.
Hi folks, welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. We're in the Lake District at the moment. It's the day before New Year's Eve. We had a couple of free days, so we thought we'd come out and get the canoe out on the lake for a while and do a bit of fishing, a bit of cooking and what have you. Those long-term subscribers will have noticed that over the last couple of years we've been up to Scotland for the Crimbo camp out over this time, but Tris unfortunately was on call, so we've just got a couple of days away this time round. However, towards the end of January I think we should be able to get a couple of weeks, or a week I think, where we're going to head up to Scotland. We're going to take the canoe with us and do some canoe camping. We've taken the rooftop tent off the Hilux for a couple of reasons. First of all, I couldn't find anywhere to put the canoe, and secondly it was getting a bit mouldy after our Sweden trip. A lot of condensation was building up inside, and the mattress cover and a little bit of the mattress started to get a bit mouldy, so I thought, right, let's get it off over the winter, dry it out properly, and we'll put it back on when we next head onto the continent. But yeah, this year in terms of our overland journeys, I think that we might only be able to manage one trip away for a couple of reasons. First of all, Tris has a master's dissertation she's got a hand in by the summer, so I think she'll be quite busy working on that. And then we'll probably get away after the summer holidays, I think probably around September, so we've got a bit of a wait actually, so that's going to be about almost a year. So what I'm going to do is try and concentrate on getting out a bit more around the UK using various means of transport. I'm going to focus on the canoe over the winter. I mean, it's a bit like a 4x4, the canoe. You can really get out and camp in quiet places, get off the beaten track a bit, probably head out on the motorbike for a few trips, and then next year, sorry, the year after, which will be 2020, we're going to head to Iceland. So we're going to probably try and invest a bit into the Hilux as well, do a few modifications and get it prepared for that trip. Yeah, so that's our plans for this year and next. So we've got a few months of just hanging around the UK before we can head off back to Europe. We still haven't really decided where we're going to go yet. Maybe Portugal, Spain again, or maybe Croatia, Slovenia, over that way, I don't know. But yeah, well, that's our plans. So we're getting a bit hungry now, so we're going to knock up some festive bacon sarnies, which is bacon, brie and cranberry. I'm going to do it in the base of the Ghillie Kettle. And I've got a Hobo Stove here, which is going to go on top, and then we've got this pan that's going to fit on top. We should be able to cook up the bacon. These are handy little additions if you do have a Ghillie Kettle. Just pops on top like that and gives you a decent little base to cook on. Or if you have a campfire, you can just put it directly on and put a pot on top. So yeah, they're pretty handy. They're also available in the Europe Overland web shop. See the links below. Yeah, so I've brought some seasoned wood from home for this little effort. I mean, there's plenty of wood lying around here, but we're in December and it's pretty damp, so I really don't want to mess me bacon sarnie up. So I just we have a wood burner at home, so we've got lots of little bits of seasoned wood, so Just means that we're not going to mess things up. Yeah, so the Hobo Stove works pretty well. All you do is you just feed your wood in through those holes at the top there. And it does alright. I guess you could probably easily get a steak or something on there, or any kind of quick frying meat. I doubt you'll be able to cook a stew or a curry or anything on here. It tends not to have such a great burn time, but for a quick bacon sarnie or a quick steak or something, it's perfect.
But your love's lost on the line. Say I was wrong. Came into this life on my own. Try, so try. One for love, turn with the light, and I get moonlight, moonlight, moonlight. I'll treat you unkindly if that's what you want. But you stay inside me, inside of my heart, unbound at the start. Now your heart has been broken, and you're miles off away. Now you can't find the right words to say.